F cost could end the exchange for January 2024 with a likely high of $2800. Toward the finish of 2-30, the anticipated Ethereum cost could take off to a pinnacle of $26,575.21. The ongoing cost of one Ethereum is $2,982,946,867. Ethereum, the main altcoin by market capitalization and the second biggest cryptographic money, has arrived at a cost of $2,800. With a market cap of $335 billion and a $22 billion exchanging volume, the altcoin is remaining steadfast in the developing business sector. Further, in the decentralized money space, Ethereum is encountering a significant flood popular, moving the F-cost rally forward. With DeFi's all-out worth locked TVL stirring things up around $1 billion in print, Ethereum guarantees almost 60% of this with a TVL of $42.95 billion. Besides the energy encompassing the expected send-off of Ethereum ETFs and the diminishing stockpile of ETH set up for a bullish pattern. Moreover, the energy on the lookout, supported by Bitcoin's climb to $52,000, further drives Ethereum's cost vertical. The expectation encompassing Ethereum's Denkan update likewise adds to the local area's excitement. Anyway, what's going on? Is this revision the best chance to purchase? Will Ethereum go up past $3,000? Set out with us on this logical excursion as we jump profound into these inquiries and Ethereum cost expectations from 2024 to 2030. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024-2030. As the second most significant coin in the present market, Ethereum holds promising cost expectations for the years 2024 to 2030. By and large, being a top worldwide open-source programmable blockchain network, Ethereum offers an assortment of purpose cases that hold critical incentive for monetary associations, banks, and different businesses. Additionally, the huge potential works on the probability of Ethereum's entrance into the worldwide market. Thus, with its flexibility and generally speaking applications, Ethereum is ready to have an enduring effect on the universe of computerized finance and then some. Impending tokens in Denkan redesign. IP 4788. IP 4788 upgrades the EVM's abilities, safely spanning Ethereum's execution layer with guide chain information for cutting-edge LSD activities. IP 7514. Expanding age misfortune limits by means of IP 7514 intends to offset adaptability with network openness in the midst of flooding validated numbers. IP 7044. Disentangling marking with IP 7044. This overhaul presents extremely durable marks for intentional ways out, further developing partner security. IP 7045. IP 7045 proposes broadened validation openings, supporting LMD Phantom security and making ready for quicker Ethereum block affirmations. EVM overhaul. EVM's advancement go on with opcodes like IP 1E153 and IP 5E656, meaning to smooth out brilliant agreements while reducing gas expenses. IP 7516. Presenting IP 7516's BlueBaseV opcode. This works with continuous roll-up cost conveyance and subordinates creation in light of L1 expenses. F value expectation for February 2024. Ethereum's cost has seen a 23% increment throughout recent days, bringing about two bullish overwhelming candles on the week-after-week graph. As it tests the furthest reaches of the Bollinger Groups, Ethereum's cost is presently at $2,797. The ongoing cost of ETH sits at $2,638, with an intraday fall of 0.82% as a retest of the adjusting base breakout. Besides, the bullish inversion is going to cross past the pinnacle of $2,717 to frame another 52-week high. The latest thing is testing the half Fibonacci retracement level at $2,853, making way for a possible breakout. Should the purchasers defeat this opposition, the vertical pattern might outperform the $3,000 mark, going for the gold the month finishes up. ETH value forecast 2024. As the unstable 2023 closes, the Ethereum market cost recuperates strikingly, framing a climbing triangle design in the week-after-week graph. Skipping from the mental boundary of $1,000 in November 2022, the upswing keeps on picking up speed in the Ethereum week-after-week outline. Confronting steady dismissal from the $2,100 boundary, the purchasers are endeavoring a bullish breakout energized by the new October rally of 2023. Bursting past the above opposition, the ETH cost pushes past the $2,200 boundary. Besides, the breakout rally flags a more drawn-out upswing and dodges a passing cross in the week-by-week diagram. Assuming the purchasers figure out how to cross the Ethereum market esteem above $2,200, the bull run continuation can dramatically increment in 2024. With potential spot ETH endorsements and the Bitcoin splitting impact on altcoins, the cost of ETH can reach $3.25. ETH Value Forecast 2025. In like design, Ethereum, the second biggest cryptographic money, is supposed to keep up with its vertical direction and structure better upsides in 2025. Besides, with expanded reception and the interest for ETH, the ETH coin cost can make another unsurpassed high of $49.25. Notwithstanding, on the other side, the ETH coin cost can plunge to $3.917, with a typical ETH cost of $4.392.5. ETH value expectation for 2026. By 2026, the Ethereum coin cost is supposed to arrive at a high of $6,610. Alternately, the ETH cost could drop to $5,566 with a normal of $5,713. ETH value expectation for 2027. Essentially, the Ethereum 2027 figure anticipates that the ETH coin cost should make another unequaled at $8,705. Be that as it may, a rectification in light of market deficiencies might drive the ETH crypto to $6,800, with a normal of $7,246. ETH value expectation for 2028. In 2028, the possibilities of Ethereum ruling the crypto market ascend, as the ETH coin cost will possibly arrive at another high at $16,140. Alternately, the altcoin could tumble to $12,613, making a normal of $14,482. ETH value expectation for 2029. Moving toward its untouched high of $21,994.32 in 2029, the Ethereum cost is supposed to outperform the mental boundary of $20,000. On the other hand, in the event of a revision, $ETH might arrive at a low of $16 to $192, with a typical cost of $19.1077. ETH value expectation for 2030. In conclusion, the ETH crypto cost is projected to arrive at another untouched high of $26,575.21 in 2030. On the other hand, with a likely low of $20,647.23 and a typical cost of $23,563.01. Van Eck Value Expectation Report. In a new report by Van Eck, a famous speculation the board firm, paints a hopeful future for Ethereum. For the most part, the report frames three likely situations for Ethereum's market cost by 2030: a bullish situation, a negative situation, and a base situation. In the event of a bullish result, Ethereum's market cost could skyrocket to a faltering $51.06, a 31 overlay increment from its ongoing worth. Further, this situation is powered by Ethereum's capability to give security as a help and its utilization as a store of significant worth resources. Then again, the negative situation extends a drop to $343, a 5x tumble from the ongoing business sector cost. In any case, the base situation, which is an unbiased one, predicts that Ethereum